As Leo Tolstoy once said, spring is a time for plans and projects. And so our slogan for the event: fresh blooms, vibrant colors, and a new skill to top it all. And acting upon the same line, Skills Night brings to you Skill Spring, sponsored by Prep Bytes, to fill your pockets with new skills.
A warm welcome to all the mentors and audience present here. Today, we will be starting with the mentor's introduction who will be joining us for the Festival of Skills.
This mentorship program invites mentors from a diverse range of domains such as machine learning, competitive programming, UI designing, app development, IoT and robotics, and web development.
So, how about we get familiar with all the amazing people joining us? Let's start with machine learning.
Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence where machines try to achieve human level cognition without being explicitly programmed. We introduce to you Akash Fogat, Arnab Saha, Aditya Vats, Nishant Rajput, and Saurabh Mukherjee as mentors.
Moving on to competitive programming. Competitive programming is a mind sport to develop a programmer's logical ability to write fast and efficient code for a given problem. Introducing you to the mentors of the domain: Dhananjay Mishra, Arnav Kumar, Aniket Srivastav, Ravi Kumar, Anmol Kumar, Saurav Paswan, and Pranay Gupta.
Next is UI designing. In UI designing, designers aim to create interfaces that users find easy to use and pleasurable. We have Debrupa Nag with us for mentoring.
Going towards app development, mobile application development is the set of processes and procedures involved in writing software for small wireless computing devices. Just like web application development, mobile application development has its roots in more traditional software development. We have Priyank Kumar Singh, Rishikesh Patwardhan, Ekta Chaudhary with us for mentoring.
Moving on to IoT and robotics. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a system of interrelated, interconnected, network enabled devices that can collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. Robotics, design, construction, and use of machines, robots, to perform tasks done traditionally by
Hello.
human beings. We have Agnel Lazar Alapat
You to
as
the
a
mentors
mentor.
of the
And
going
finally,
towards app
web
development.
development. Web
Mobile development is the building and maintenance of websites. It's the work that happens behind the scenes to make a website look great, work fast, and perform well with a seamless user experience. This includes everything from single plain text web pages up to complex web applications. As mentors, we have Rishabh Singh, Gaurav Agrawal, Faiz Mohammed, Shruti Raj, Shivam Soni, Shashank Moturi, Soumya Prajapati, MD Shayan Oruz, Annam Sai Manohar, and Venkata Nagendra Bharat.
We are done with all our domains and respective mentors. Hope you all will be familiar with each other soon for the smooth running of the program.
Now, moving on to the guidelines for our mentors, you will be assigned a group of 5 to 10 students who will be exploring a specific field under your guidance throughout the event. Each team mentor would be required to submit a detailed report at the end of the mentorship period.
Mentors will help their mentees to get resources and assign tasks according to the individual level. They'll have full freedom to do meets and make learning fun. A core team member will be present in all the teams formed but will not interfere in it. They'll only jump in conversations when either mentor or mentees are not responding or in case of some violation or proper conduct of communication.
We hope everything about the mentor program is clear to everyone. Any doubts about the same are welcome for next 5 to 10 minutes. You can either type your doubts in the chat box or switch on your mic and ask.
Hi everyone, my name is Divyansh and I am from Skill Spring team. So the first question is when will student be joining us? So students will we will start dividing the student into some group of 5 or 10 by today's evening, and this participant form will be closed by 12 tonight. So from tomorrow morning the event will start at its full swing, and you guys are very good mentor. We have seen your LinkedIn and your profiles. So let's hope for the best. Second is, are there any other deliverables apart from the report? So mentor have to like give a report at the end of this mentorship program, that like on each participant, like what they have given and what they have done. And apart from these, there are some small deliverables, they have to if they want they can take some Google Meets or something inside the group, or if they want to teach something inside the group of that 5 to 10, they can. Other than that, there is no other thing we are requiring for the mentors, and mentors also can jo- uh, participate in the events which are going to be held. Like there are some fun events you can see on our website, and there are some main competition. Mentors also can join those competition and can win prizes from our sponsors. So the next question is, uh, are the mentors themselves be deciding the span of mentorship, or shall we assign the timeline? So this depends completely on the mentor, how much they can devote in this date, in this span of dates, like 5 to 21, how much time they can devote towards the community, and they can help. We do not force you to not to study. Like we all are in college, we all have our study, we some of are doing our internship. So we do not interfere in those things, but apart from that, you can take much of time to devote to this community, to give something which you have taken from the community. What is the duration of the program for mentorships? Yeah, so it is from 5 to 21, and like it is starting from today itself, and at the end of uh, around 12 or 12 or 1, we will divide the team, and by tomorrow morning the mentorship program will start. So we have conducted a Google Meet or something else. It depends on you. You want to conduct something, or you just want to give resources. It also depends on participant, like how they are asking you the doubts. It is like basically you are the mentors of uh, the participant, who are like mentees under you, and how your relation is, and it is completely depends on you. Like if you want to teach something daily basis, on like weekly basis, or you just want to give some resources, or you just want to give like one to one interaction. It is completely depends on you, but we will advise like do one to one interaction with the mentees. That's why we have made small groups of 5 to 10, because we want who are coming as a freshers, we want they extract their fear out of them. They fear from web development, the huge words of these domains. We want to extract that fear with the help of you. Is there any predetermined structure, like we have to conduct regular meetups with student, give them assignment? It completely depends on you, Rishabh. If you want to give some assignments, you can. If you want to give some resources, what resources will be provided by Triple IT Nagpur? So, what do you want? You just tell us. We will try to give you as much resource as we can. Uh, like we have sponsor also Prep Bytes, and the coding competition is also going to be held on their uh, website. So we will if you want any resources, moderators, we will try to tackle all the resources and provide you all. What activities we have to conduct in event as a mentor? uh, for machine learning domain. So I am also interested into machine learning, and if I will be a mentor, so I will take them on from a journey of a machine learning, like from this beginning. I will tell what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is artificial intelligence. There is a huge difference between all these term, and take them into each by taking from Python to some libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, like these, to some algorithms, to maths, statistics, then to higher level algorithms like these. I will take them like this, but it depends on you. Like if you want to take them on another path, you can. Like it clearly depends on you. How will you teach them, and how will the participant also react to you? So it depends on this. Can we join as a mentee as well if I'm interested in learning something? Yes, the form is clearly open, and if you want to learn anything else from your resources, you can also join as a mentee in another group. But make sure don't over stress yourself, don't overwork yourself. Try to be in a happy environment and work make this event well. So uh, I think questions are and there's no other questions now. Hmm. You can also share this in your college. If someone wants to join as a participant, our mentor form is off now, but our participant form is open till 12 at night. So you can share it in your friends or in your junior if you're seniors. So like we have three mentor in app development. We have to discuss with them too. Like it depends on you. If you want to we will just provide you a group of 5 to 10, and you cannot see in other groups of other mentors. But if you want to you can directly ping them. There is whole list of mentors, and you can ping them and you can talk. It depends on you. And this we are the main motto of this event is just to share our learning with the freshers, and taking some of the connection from here. We all here are for connections with you all, and you all are great. I would like to stay in touch with the mentors of my domain so I get more guidance in creating. Yeah, sure. It is great. We, uh, we have attached the LinkedIn ID of all mentors in the our website, so you can see from there. You can stay in touch. I'm resharing the our website. Okay, Deep also shared. So yeah. So if someone wants to give some idea or talk about something, you can open your mic. If you have still have some doubt, you can open your mic and ask. uh, Otherwise, I think we have we do not have other questions. Yeah.
Yeah, hello, hi.
Hello.
Actually, I saw your website. Like, there is a small mistake in the website. Like, I have given as me as a competitive programming, but I have opted web development. So, yeah, it's,
Mhm.
saying that.
Hello. Sorry, I didn't get your like whole question.
Yeah, actually,
Uh,
like I saw your website. Like, I found that my name. Like, that you have mentioned that. Like I'm a competitive programming, but I have opted web development. Could you please change that as a web development?
okay, you have opted for web development.
Yeah,
Let me.
like even in the Discord chat, you have given me role as web development, but like whereas in this website you
I'm
have given a
so sorry.
competitive.
Like, okay, okay, okay. I will change it in just half an hour.
Okay.
So till after it, you will on the website you are going to be in web development. I'm so sorry. Share
Yeah,
the
that's good.
Menti please. Okay, yeah, you can take it from here. Just give me a sec. Hmm. Mm, mm. Okay. Where is the Mentees form? Just give me a minute. Ha. So yeah. Mm, yeah, pure choices. Okay. Similar problem happened with me, but yeah, I'm sorry for this. I don't know why this happened, but okay, okay, we are here for fixing. Like, if you get any problem, you stuck somewhere, just tell us. We will fix for sure. I hope like I have cleared your all doubts, and now we can like and like our main inauguration is on 7. Uh, there we will meet our first speaker who is coming on UI and UX designing, and uh, till then we divide all the participant into the groups, and you will assign all the participant. Uh, Connect with them. Just break the ice because you are the mentors. You have to connect with them, and if you get any problem, like if participant some participant is behaving not like he is violating some rule, he's not behaving calmly or something, so just tell us. We will take care of that. Don't take any violation in your hands. So like these are something, and other than this you are clearly open to mentor in your style. There's no any boundaries of your mentoring, because we know like every person has different unique style, and if we construct them into a boundary, he doesn't show his unique skill out of it. So we have just sent said you open for these for till 21, and we think like you will give your best, and the participant will enjoy the most with you all. So thank you for being our mentors. We are looking for exciting event. So over to you, anchors.
If there are any other doubts further, they can be clarified through Discord or WhatsApp at any time. So, with this, we come to the end of our session. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. We hope your rest of the evening is great and this event serves as an extraordinary experience.
Thank you, everyone, once again.